Carleton Lodge is where the Whistler Adaptive Sports Program meets for the winter alpine programming. The nearest accessible bathroom to the Whistler Village Gondola is in the basement of the Carleton Lodge. Use a ramp on the south side of the building located across from the Whistler Village Gondola exit. At the top of the ramp, a manual door on the right leads directly to an elevator. The elevator will take you down to lower level 1, where the accessible washrooms are located. Once downstairs, follow the accessible washroom signs guiding you down a hallway. On your right, you'll find an automatic door. Once you pass through this door, 2 gendered washrooms are accessed from this space. The women's washroom is immediately on your left, and the men's washroom is straight ahead. The men's washroom has one accessible stall door that's 36 inches wide and a space that's 28 inches deep and 50 inches wide. The women's washroom has one accessible stall door that's 30 inches wide and a space that's 29 inches deep and 56 inches wide. The accessible washroom stall might not accommodate all wheelchairs. The Whistler Adaptive Sports Program meeting place is on the main floor of the Carleton Lodge. Accessing this washroom may not fully meet everyone's accessibility needs. This video is designed to help people evaluate if it is suitable before choosing this location.